Welcome to the assembly video of Tesgo Explorer. Let's get the bike out of the box. Remove the protectors first. The package contains the bike, the front wheel, fender, rear and front rack, and a battery. The small box contains the charger, product handbook, pedals, a bell, a bunch of zip ties, and a bag of tools. Remove the protectors first, and the rubber on both sides of the front wheel. Don't rush this step. Gently pick up the bike and lower the front fork onto the front wheel as far as not to damage the brake disc. Remember to align the disc brake properly. Use your hand to wrench the nuts on both sides after fix the position first, and then use the tool to tighten. Next, it's time to install the handlebars. Remove the screws first, and then proceed to mount the handlebar. Check that the grooves line up and tighten the screws. Next step, adjust the handlebar. Keep the wheels between your legs and rotate to align it with the handlebar. Once set, tighten up the screws from top to bottom. Push and pull the handbar to see if it is tight enough. If you feel movement, just tighten it a bit more. Next, we install the headlight. To do it, just use this. Fix the light with the fender and use the hex wrench to tighten it up. The fender needs to be attached by using the screws at the bottom of the fork as well. Next, we are going to install the front rack. Tesgo Explorer has a standard front rack base, and it can be used to install many kinds of equipment. Just use the screws to mount. Good job! Now it's time to install the rear rack. Just use the screws on the frame to fix the rear rack in place. Next step, let's install the pedals. Pedals should be attached to the correct side. When you receive the bike, don't worry. You can tell which one is which because there are marks on the pedals. Screw the pedals using the wrench as tight as possible. Easy, right? Almost done. To charge the bike, you need to plug the battery into the slot on the down tube of the bike and connect with the charger. Then, use a screwdriver to install the bell on the handlebars, whenever you feel convenient to ring it. Finally, you can press the power button on the left side of your handlebars. Welcome to Tesgo. You can press the plus/minus button to adjust the level of pedal assist from level 1 to 5. You can use the suspension locker to adjust the suspension level based on different terrains and how you like it. Use the lever on the right-hand side to shift gears. That's it! Your Tesgo e-bike is ready to ride. Thanks for watching.